Welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I am standing in front of a brand new in-stock 2024 Scout Boats 281 XSS. This is the largest boat in the Scout Bay Boat series. This particular one is very well equipped. On the outside, you're going to see it's got the black hull color with the midnight package, so the black T-top and accents. It is sitting on a custom fit 281 XSS trailer that is available as an add-on for this boat. Powered with the 400 horsepower V10, this thing is a blast to drive. Lots of great technology inside. Let's climb aboard and check it out. Climbing aboard this 281 XSS, first thing you're going to notice is there's a lot of space back here for your casting platform. So you've got the seat flipped up right now, but stows away very easily, give you a nice wide deck. Got your 400 V10 back here. This is on a jack plate, so great option to get into low, shallow water, give you a little bit of speed and performance boost as well. You got dedicated fender storage back here on the 281 for 4 fenders. Also got twin opposing live wells on either corner back here. Got a light in this one. Plenty of rod holders throughout the boat. Got 4 on the back here, plenty in the T-top. You'll also see we've got pop-up cleats and quick connect fenders on both sides of the boat. One more thing I want to show you back here at the casting platform. Got 2 dedicated buckets up under this back seat and great access to your bilge compartment. Here on the back side of your leaning post, you're going to have an integrated live well here in the center. Of course, aerated. This one also is going to have a light in it. You have both fresh and raw water washdowns here on both sides on nice convenient hose reels. Your Yeti cooler's on a slider that's actuated through this lever here, so easy access in and out for that. Also got 4 rod holders in the back of your leaning post, as well as 2 additional cup holders over here. Storage on both sides of the leaning post as well. See tackle storage on that side, sort of a mixed use cubby space in here for fishing equipment. Walking up to the helm, this boat is a very comfortable boat to drive. We've got flip down armrests on both sides of your helm chair here, as well as your flip up bolsters. Up and down, super easy. Got a nice leaning position here with your tilt base Edson steering wheel. Jack plate controls here, controls for your zip wake trim tab system. Got wireless phone charger for both your captain and co-captain. This boat's also equipped with the optional single engine joystick. Mercury digital throttle and shift right here. And then we've got twin Garmin MFDs up here. You can control your lights, depth finder chart, all that kind of stuff through there. Last but not least, up here at the helm, you do have a handful of switch controls up at the top, just next to your Mercury vessel view screen that'll show you engine data and performance data. Great lighting through this boat as well. You see we've got them in red right here. Lots of customizability for that. Walking up on the port side, this boat's got a head compartment in here with a light. Check that out. Great access to your battery switches there, your key switch as well. Great space for storage. Coming up to the front, got a lot of seating up here for entertaining. All of these cushions are removable. Up under your coffin box here, great storage space. Got your water fill in here. Great place to put your towels, life jackets, things like that. Seats here on both sides do have storage on them as well. One of my favorite features on the 281 is the space usage under this front casting deck here. Got access to your battery chargers in here. Another great storage space. As I walk up to this bow casting deck here, you see we've got windlass controls for your windlass anchor, both up and down right there. These can also be actuated from your helm position, but nice to be able to do it from up here as well. I've also optioned this boat with the combination rod holder, cup holders up at the bow. So again, more rod holders all throughout the boat, multi-use. Last but not least, up here at the front, showed you the controls for your windlass anchor. Under this hatch is the access to your chain and rode. Really nicely finished out here. Typical Scout quality, awesome look, and great function. This boat is available now here at MarineMax Lake Norman. If you have any questions or want to check it out in person, stop by our showroom, check us out at marinemax.com, or give us a call. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.